Welcome, my dear children, to your mathematics class. Today, in subtraction chapter, we will continue with same topic, which already we have started in last session. That is, simplify addition and subtraction together. Remaining examples will solve in today's class. So let us start. Simplify 5392 plus 1834 minus 2721 minus 984. So first step, to select two numbers starting and do your process of, here it is plus, so we'll do plus. If it was minus, then we have to do the minus. So here first we have to do addition. So 1s, 10s, 100,000. First number is what? 5392. Which sign? Plus. Second number 1834. Once we arrange, now it is plus, so we'll do addition. 4 plus 2 how much? Add and see. 6. Then 9 plus 3 how much? 9 plus 3 is 12. So 2 will come in tens place and 1 will carry forward to the 100 place upside. Now 100 place, add this number. 8 plus 3 plus 1. How much you will get? Yes, it is again 12. So 2 will come downside as a 100 place here answer and 1 will carry forward to the 1000 place. So add this number now in the 1000 place. 1 plus 5 plus 1. You will get here 7. Now whatever the answer we got here, same we will forward for the next step as a first number. Okay. So arrange the places first. So what is our answer we got in the first step? 7226. We will copy as a first number here, 7226. Now after two numbers doing the process, next minus or plus here? Minus. So here we have written minus. Now third number is what? 2721. So that copy as it is 2721. And because of minus, we'll do here now subtraction. 6 minus 1, how much? 5. Remove 1 from 6, you get 5. Then tens place. 2 minus 2, 0. Same number minus same number, 0. Now can you subtract 7 from 2? No. You have to borrow now. So after borrow, how much you will get here? 12. Now you can do 12 minus 7, how much? 5. And now 1000 place has given one number to the 100 place. So how much left here? You are left with 6. So 6 minus 2 how much? 4. So here we get the answer 4505. Now this answer we have to forward for the next step as a first number. Okay. So arrange first 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000. So what answer we got for the last step? 4505. Same we will copy here as a first number for the next step, that is 4505. Now fourth number here, plus or minus? Again here it is minus, so take minus sign. Now here how many digits number is there? 3 digit. Copy as it is, that is 984. So here we write 984. 1000 place will keep empty because no number is there. Now let us start our procedure of minus from 1's place. 5 minus 4 how much? 1. Now can you subtract 8 from 0? No. Borrow the number. You will get here 10. 10 minus 8. How much left? 2. Now 100 place has given one number to the 10's place. How much left here? Here left with 4. Now can you subtract 9 from 4? Now you have to borrow from 1000 place. So after borrowing, how much you will get here? 14. It will become 14. Now 14 minus 9. How much you get? 5. Now 4 has given one number to the 100 place. So how much left here now? 3. So 3 as it is will come downside as an answer. Because downside here no number is there. So same number will come down as an answer. So final what answer we are getting? 3521. So hence as it is, copy the question. 5392 plus 1834 minus 2721 minus 984 is equal to your final answer 3521. Understood? Okay. Every time what we are doing, for each step we are copying the last process answer as our first number and then taking our next number as a calculation. Understanding? Okay. Always keep in the mind, in simplify, do the process of two numbers calculation, that answer what you are getting, that copy as a first number for the next step and do the next step with the third number. Again you will get some answer, same answer, copy for the next step and calculate with the fourth number and get the final answer. Okay. Example 5 now. Subtract the difference of 6351 and 2175 from their sum. Here they have not given direct answer. You have to understand the question. See, subtract the difference means we have to find the difference of these two numbers from their sum, means we require add a sum of these two numbers and difference of these two numbers first. Okay, sum of these two numbers we have to find out, then difference of these two numbers find out, and then we have to do our third step as a subtract. So let us do step by step. So first let us find sum of these two numbers. So arrange the places. Which is the bigger number here? 6351. Sum means what we have to do? Plus. Then second number 2175. Now do the addition of this first. 5 plus 1. Now let us move tens place. 5 plus 7. How much answer you are getting? 12. From the 2 we are writing downside as answer in the tens place and 1 will carry forward to the 100 place upside. Now add the numbers present in the 100 place. 1 plus 3 plus 1. How much answer getting? 5. And then let's move for the 1000 place. 6 plus 2 how much? 8. Now sum we have find out just now. Now let us find out the difference also. Which is the bigger number? 6351. Difference means what? Which sign? Minus. Which sign? Minus. Okay. Now smaller number is 2175. So can you subtract 5 from 1? No. Here we have to borrow. So after borrowing, how much we are getting here? 11. 11 minus 5. How much left here? Answer 6. Okay. Now from the tens place, one number has given to the ones place. So how much left here first? 4. Now can you subtract 4 minus 7? Not possible. Then again borrow here also from the 100 place. After borrowing, how much will get? 14. After 14, now you can subtract. 14 minus 7, how much left here? 7. Now from the 100 place, one number has given to the tens place. So in the 100 place now, how much left here upside? 2. 2 minus 1, how much? Remove 1 from the 2. 1 answer. Okay. Now in the 1000 place, 6 minus 2, 4. Now, so we have done plus, that is sum. We have done minus, that is difference. Now our first we'll write the places. Now this first process, what we have done here? Sum. What we have done here? Sum. And the second process, what we have done? Difference. What we have done? Difference. Now our next process is subtract. Subtract the difference of whatever you are finding from their sum. Difference also we have find out and sum also we have find out. So difference is what? We are getting answer here. Now we have to subtract the difference from the sum. Means 4176 we have to minus from this 8526. Understood? So let us do now a third step. So what is our sum? What is the sum here? 8526. That you write here as a first number. Minus. Subtract means what? Minus. Your difference. Difference answer is how much? 4176. So that you write, and now subtract, means again do the subtraction, minus. So 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 7, can you do? No. Borrow from the next number. Here you will get 12. 12 minus 7, how much? 5. So 100 has given one number to the tens place. So how much left in the 100 place now? 4. 4 minus 1, how much, children, in the 100 place? 3. Now 1000 place. 8 minus 4, 4. So understood? What we have done? We have subtracted the difference from the sum. We have subtracted the difference from this sum. And final answer what you got? 4350. So here we are writing, this is the sum minus difference. This step is what? Sum minus difference. First step is our sum, second step is our difference, and third step is our sum minus difference. Means sum answer minus difference answer. You have done the subtraction is our third step. Understood? Okay. And now you are writing the hands. 8526 minus 4176 is equal to your final answer 4350. Means sum minus difference. You are getting the final answer. So today we'll end up our session here. Go through the steps and all. See all the examples. As I send the practice problem for you, please practice, solve the problems. Understood? Today we'll stop here. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.